Welcome. If you want to set volume limit of your Symfonisk bookshelf speaker, at first you have to be in the Synos application, select System, pick your product, and here you will find the volume limit. Currently it's turned off, but you can adjust it just like that. As you can see, we can set the maximum allowed volume. We can pick it for 50%, for example. And after that, you can just go back. As you can see, currently from the off, it just changed to 50%. And of course, you can reset by tapping here. So currently it's up to the 100%, and it means that the volume limit is just turned off. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.